Welcome to DJ's Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Citroen Picasso. It's the Grand Picasso, 7-seater, nice specification, front park distance control, diamond cut alloy wheels. Has literally just arrived into stock. Factory tinted windows, rear park distance control, 7 seats, very easy to fold down if you want to. Gives you lots more space. It's in not bad condition for its age and mileage at all. Interior's in lovely condition. Lots of space once you fold all the seats down. You get your picnic trays as well. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Lumbar support, everything's there. Citroen do think of everything. Must make some worth of money. 6-speed gearbox. It's on 101,440 miles. Satellite navigation. Air conditioning, cruise control, lovely display there, more space there, USBs, all your controls up there. At DJH we have full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.